Learn Italian English. Hello folks, I'm Andrea, and this is an Italian English lesson. Speaking English like an Italian is hip and trendy and make you sound as refined as an Italian football manager. Grammar! Let's talk about interrogative forms. In Italian English, the construction is much different from standard English. There is no use of auxiliary. You just start the sentence with but, a quizzical expression on your face, and the well-known gesture of question mark. But where do you go? But what time you come back? Or even better, but at what hour you return? That might be hard at the beginning, but by training the wrist, improvement is just around the corner. Pronunciation. In Italian English, every single vowel or consonant count. What's in the word must be heard. So words like that, doubt, become debt, doubt. Fight is feigt. Thought is fogged. Notice that the letter W can be pronounced both U, like flower, woman, or V, like wrong, to write, or even both in the same word, window. Whisper, purchase flowers and women is never wrong. That will make you sound like a helpless romantic. Culture and habits. In Italian English, it is very important to be concise, so it's highly recommended not to use unnecessary words. For example, say you have not understood properly what a gentleman's just told you. In English, you would probably go, I beg your pardon, sir, but I am afraid I did not quite understand what you just said. In Italian English, no. You would go, huh? If you can't bear the silence, you can add, huh? You understand, with an appropriate hand sign. Please, no apologies like sorry or pardon. That will make you sound very rude. Huh? Learn Italian English. So the lesson is over and it is time to say goodbye the Italian English way. Hello! Hello? I want you good.